Hello friends, let's know about HTML form control. There are different types of form controls that you can use to collect data using HTML, which are text input control, checkbox control, radio control, select control, file select box, hidden control, clickable button, submit and reset button. Let's get started. First is text input control. There are three types of text input used on the form. First is single line text input control. This control is used for item that requires only line of user input such as search box or name. They are created using HTML input tag. Second is password input control. This is also a single line text input, but it marks the character as soon as the user enter it. They are also created using HTML input tag. Third is multi-line text input control. This is used when the user is required to give detail that may be longer than a single sentence. Multi-line input control are created using this HTML form control tag. Let's know about the attributes. First is type. It indicates the type of input control, and for the text input control, it will be set of a text. Second is name, used to give a name to control which is send. Third is value, to serve, to be considered and get value. This can be used to provide an initial value control. Fourth is size, allowed to specify width of the text input control in terms of character. Fifth is mask length, allows to specify maximum number of character a user can enter into text. Let's know more about the controls. Single line text input control. This control is used for items that require only one line of a user input, such as search box or name. They are created using HTML tags. Let's look for the program. Include the mandatory HTML tag, HTML head body. Include the form tag and the required text. Now close the form tag body and HTML tag. Let's hit on the output. As per implemented in the text program, we can see the two boxes of a tag, and as you can see, it contains single line. Next is password input control. This is also a single line text input, but it marks the character as soon as user enter it. They are also created using HTML input tag, but type attribute is set to be password. Let's know about the attribute. Name, used to give a name to control which is sent to the user to be recognized and get value. Second is row, indicate the number of rows of the text area box. Third is column, indicate the number of column of the text area. Hitting on the program, including the mandatory tag title, including password input control. Now including the form tag and using the mandatory text which are ID and password. Now closing the form body and HTML tag. Hitting on to the output, we can see two boxes which are named as user ID and password. The next control is multiple line text input control. This is used when the user is required to give detail that may be longer than a single sentence. Multi-line input control are created using HTML text area tag. Looking up to the program, including the mandatory HTML tag. Now the form tag, as we are going to include the multiple text, so we need a description, text area, row, column. Now ending the text area tag, form tag, body HTML tag. Looking up to the output, we can see a title, name, description, and we can see the box where we can enter numeric text as per mentioned text area. Next is checkbox. Checkbox are used when more than one option is required to select. They are also created using HTML input attribute is set to checkbox. Attribute of checkbox are as follow. Type, it indicate type of input control and form checkbox into control. It will be set to checkbox. Second is name, used to give a name to control which is sent to server to be recognized and get value. Value, the value that will be used if checkbox is selected. Checked, set to check if you want to select it by default. Getting to output, program, including the mandatory tag HTML title head body. Input text is equal to checkbox. including the value. Now closing the form body and HTML tag, hitting to the output, we can see a square bullet, empty bullet for the maths and physics, as we have entered the no option in the program. If we have marked the one of the options as off, then it would be bulleted colorfully. Thank you.